Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am bringing you a tutorial on this eye makeup look. I have been so obsessed with this type of look for spring and summer because it is such a fun and quick way to do colorful eye makeup without a lot of work involved, and it is completely customizable. Like, you can do this with any color. You can add rhinestones, you can add way less rhinestones than me, you don't have to use any at all. And it's just so fun and simple, and I always get so many compliments when I wear this out. I have done similar looks with different colors on my channel in the past, so I will link those videos down below for you as well if you want to see it with like different colors and how I kind of did it before. And then as far as my base makeup goes, since we're not focusing on that today, this is my no foundation base makeup routine, so I will link that video for you as well if you kind of want to see how I achieved this look. The only difference in my base makeup today is instead of using a Fenty Beauty Cream blush, I pulled out one of my Rare Beauty liquid blushes in lieu of all this Hailey and Selena drama, because I'm not about that. Not when I'm ride or die for my girl, Selena Gomez. And I'm not even the biggest Rare Beauty stan, okay? But either way, that's besides the point. All the products that I use are going to be listed down below, so check there if you're interested. And yeah, you guys, we're going to jump into it. This is going to be a voiceover because, girl, I just needed to jam to some music and get ready today, okay? And so that is gonna be what's going on. I didn't want it to be too long either, so I really hope that you guys are excited. If you enjoyed the makeup look, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and feel free to follow me on my other socials listed down below. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Ooh, I know it's a jump scare. We're not talking about this hair today, so jumping right on in. Using the second Mikayla Glamlite palette, I'm taking the shade Pat Rice, and I'm using a tiny little flat definer brush essentially, and I'm just going to pack this shade on my lid, top and bottom. I should say my inner corner, that's not my lid, you guys know what I mean. And I decided shade wasn't dark enough, so I'm jumping into the first Mikayla Glamlite palette using the shade Part 2. I love this shade, so you can definitely start with this one. Totally skipped that first step, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing. Taking, again, another packer brush, and I'm just going to lay that down on my inner corner, top and bottom, really just kind of outlining the shape that I'm looking for. And then like you see here, I take a really tiny fluffy brush and just start blending out those edges, because you guys know the rules. No harsh edges here. Of course, at this point, I'm just going to kind of go in between those two steps, packing on more of that dark purple shade with a flat brush and then blending it out with the tiny little shader brush. Take your time here, because since there's not much else to the look, you really want this particular foundation to be as flawless as you can get it. So again, pack it on, blend it out, pack it on, blend it out until it's right where we want to see it. I'm jumping back into the second palette, the green palette, and using the shade Mama Wang, a gorgeous light lavender color, and a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to now blend the edges out with this shade. This is really going to diffuse that color, make it look like it's really, really seamless, and just kind of fade it naturally into my skin tone. This right here, star of the show. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade How Many Carats. If you don't have it, you need it in your collection. You can thank me later. I'm taking another flat brush and I'm going to pack this on. I prefer using this product with a brush over your finger. It just kind of really evens it out, really brings it to life in my personal opinion, and I just pack this everywhere. Inner corner, up to my brow bone. I have a good time with it, and of course, I throw it on my cheeks as well. Stunning. As always, lashes are not required, but of course I am a lash girly, so I am going to pop on a pair. This is the Lavaa lash in the style Charm. It's one of my favorites, and y'all, I have not had a lash go on this good in a hot minute, so of course I'm gonna do a little lash dancey dance, hype myself up for the next one. And then last but not least for this look is the rhinestones, which I know this is gonna be the part that kind of scares most people. And y'all, let me just tell you this, just have fun with it, just wing it. That's literally all I do. The only advice I will give is, as you can see on the eye I'm not working on, I do map out like the overall shape that I'm looking for, and then I just fill it in from there. Like literally, there's no rhyme or reason to it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've said it a million times, makeup is just for fun. No one is going to be counting your rhinestones or dissecting how perfect they are. Just pop them on and enjoy the look. Look at that. It's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with this look, like I've already mentioned a million times. And like I've already said, you can use any color combo that you want. So just have fun with it. Go out and enjoy just wearing some fun makeup. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.